If you've been eyeing up an Insta360 camera and waiting for the perfect time to buy, then this is it. Throughout Black Friday, Insta360 are running a huge sale with some of the biggest deals they've ever had. And you can also get some free accessories when you use my link below. In this video, I'm going to quickly run through all of the discounts across their entire range, and then I'll help you figure out which camera is right for you based on what you shoot. Links to all the deals I talk about are in the description below and in the pinned comment. So starting with the X5, this has $85 off, so a massive 15%, plus you get a free lens kit with my link. And there's also the X5 Essentials bundle, which also has 15% off, saving $100. The X4 Air is just officially launched in the US, and during its launch it's going to be $299. And again, you also get a free dual lens kit. The X4 has a 29% saving, so also $299. The X3 has 24% off, so it's $229. The Go 3S has 20% off, so $279.99, and the Go Ultra has 15% off, saving $70, and also you get a free Insta360 Mic Air Bluetooth radio mic. The Ace Pro 2 has 16% off, saving $65, plus you get a free 256GB micro SD card. And there's also 17% off of the Ace Pro 2 Explorer bundle. The Flow 2 Pro has 20% off, saving you $33, plus you get a free MagSafe mount, and the Flow 2 has 30% off, saving $34 at $75.99. The Link 2 has 25% off, saving you $50, and the Link 2C has 33% off, saving $50, and is now $99.99. There's also a Wave and Link bundle, which also has 15% off, and this saves you $76, so it's now $422.99. So a quick breakdown of the cameras so you can figure out which one is best for you. The X5 is Insta360's flagship 360 camera. So it shoots 8K 360 video, it lets you hold it out in front of you on a selfie stick and reframe your shots into multiple angles like a multi-camera shoot, but from one position. And that's the power of 360, unlike a standard action camera where you need to physically move the camera for different angles. This captures everything around you, and this gives you full creative control in the edit. And this was the first 360 camera with replaceable lenses. And the pure video mode handles low light surprisingly well. There is a slight learning curve with the 360 camera, but there's a ton of creative potential, and you get a free lens kit when you buy it with my link. The X4 Air, this is Insta360's second 8K 360 camera with replaceable lenses. It's lightweight at 165 grams and is designed to be ultra portable and pocket friendly. And it has most features you need from a 360 camera and shoots stunning video, but is missing a few features like pure video mode and bullet time mode. If you want a 360 camera that's easier to use, this is a great first 360 camera, so perfect for beginners. The X4, this was Insta360's leading 360 camera only a year ago. It shoots stunning 8K video, but it is missing pure video mode and missing replaceable lenses. But if you want to save some cash and you still want to shoot some stunning video, then this is maybe the one for you. And if you're a beginner new to 360, check out my 360 course linked in the description below. It takes you from confused to confident with structured step-by-step lessons, and during Black Friday and throughout December is 40% off. The Ace Pro 2, this is the highest resolution single lens camera at 8K. Unlike 360 cameras, this camera captures in one direction only, so you need to move it and point it at the action, just like a standard action camera. It has incredible image quality, excellent in low light thanks to pure video mode, and it's best for cinematic shots and the top vlogging camera in the lineup, thanks to its big flip-up screen. And this is ideal for creators that want pro-looking footage without the need to reframe. The Go 3S, this is a camera that stands on its own. It's not your standard action camera. The camera pops out of its pod and it's the size of your thumb. This means that you can shoot from places that no other camera fits, in glasses of water, crisp packets, etc. And it's great for pocket-sized POV and day-to-day vlogging. It's a very exciting and creative camera to have, and even if you already own something like the Ace Pro 2 or a 360 camera, this is the kind of camera that just complements your existing kit perfectly. The downside with this camera is the battery life is shorter than the rest. The Go Ultra, this is part of the Go range, but it's a bit of a sideways move. It's slightly larger than the Go 3S, so it's not thumb size, but it's still tiny compared to anything else out there. And the image quality this produces really is superb for such a tiny camera. And the same as the Go 3S, this camera is great to complement your existing setup, so you could buy this camera regardless of what other camera you have. The Flow 2 Pro, this is for those that shoot on their phone but they want cinematic movement. It's a gimbal that really steps things up. It has smooth motion, a built-in selfie stick, AI tracking, and it's a great accessory if you're a mobile-first creator. I don't own the Flow 2 Pro and I haven't tested it personally. The Link 2 and the Link 2C, these are webcams, so they're not action cameras. But if you're on video calls or recording tutorials, these are a serious upgrade. They are excellent in low light, they have AI autofocus and intelligent framing. And these aren't ones I've used myself, but for pro level zoom quality and streaming quality, these are worth looking at. There's also the Wave and Link bundle as well. And the Wave is a professional speakerphone with AI recording, and this has been bundled in with the Link. And I haven't tested the Wave, but it has been released recently, and from the reviews that I've seen, it looks really good, so it's worth checking out that Wave and Link bundle. These deals have a limited running time across the Black Friday period, so if one of them stands out to you, then now's a good time to grab it. All the links are in the description and the pinned comment below. Let me know in the comments which camera you're thinking of getting, or if you've already picked one up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.